What's up, fellow travelers? My name is Brandon. Welcome to my channel where I present travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis. In today's episode, we are in the Eastern Townships region of Quebec. More specifically though, we are in Magog and in the surrounding areas, where we're going to do some of the best activities you can do here, such as visiting historical sites, going on an amazing kayak ride, and also getting a delicious bite to eat. So with that, let's just jump right into it, shall we? We are beginning our amazing day here in the Magog region by visiting an awesome historical institution that is Abbaye de Saint-Benoît. Founded in 1912, the monks favor self-sufficiency by cultivating the land, producing cheese, jams, cidreries, and trust me, when you go into the boutique and you buy it, it's absolutely delicious. Here, after 1 p.m., you can visit the church and walk around the grounds, and it's absolutely beautiful. And it's situated right off the lake, Memprhé Magog in Magog. So with that, let's go check it out. After taking in that amazing scenery at Bay Saint Benoit, I mean, during the fall season, it's absolutely breathtaking, especially with the changing of the color of the leaves. We are now back in Magog. We rented 2 kayaks from Plein Air Magog for about $40 each. I'll put the exact price right here for 2 hours per kayak. And once you rent your kayak, you essentially have 2 options. You can either go kayaking on Lake Memprhé Magog, which I'll talk about a little bit later, why it comes in the name and all the specifications about the lake. Or you can do what we're doing right now, and that is go kayaking on Rivière aux Cerises, which essentially is a marshland, and it's really beautiful, tranquil, and as the owner of Plein Air Magog said, you can discover a bunch of beavers and birds and etc. So with that, let's keep on the journey. In the back of me, you might see you have the Mont Harford, which I hiked in a previous video, which I'll link down below in the description, which is, by the way, an awesome hike. But it just creates this even better vibe. You not only have the marshland, we also have the mountains, you have the surrounding community, and with the fall colors, it really doesn't get any better than this. So with that, let's keep going. Now that we can't go any further on the river because of the shallow water, we're actually going to head back to the center and go to downtown Magog to get an amazing bite to eat. After a good 2 hours of kayaking and walking around the Abbaye de Saint-Benoît, it's time to fill his belly with some delicious food. After getting a delicious bite to eat at the Memprhé Microbrewery in downtown Magog, we are now situated right off the shore of Lake Memprhé Magog, which is an awesome and gigantic lake over 42 kilometers long. Right beside me you'll see a still special creature, and that is the Memprhé monster. Apparently, according to urban legend, it lives in a lake and it was last spotted over 20 years ago. Now, I'm not saying it exists or not, but maybe next time you'll come here, you'll spot it on your next adventure. All in all, Magog has so many things to do, and I hope I can just give you a little taste of what you can find here when you come visit Magog. If you guys enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button down below for more travel tips, tricks, and vlogs on a weekly basis. And with that, guys, I'll see you next Sunday at 11 a.m. for all new travel episode. Don't forget, safe travels.